Landmine Press. This exercise is a great unilateral shoulder builder. It will correct any imbalances you may have in the shoulders. You will need to use a landmine setup for this exercise, or simply lodge the bar somewhere where it will be secure and won't damage any equipment. Get down on one knee, keeping your front leg bent in front of you. You'll be performing the exercise with the opposite arm. At the starting position, the barbell should be a few inches in front of your clavicle. From there, press the bar directly up in front of you. You may also feel the core workout during the lift.